it is an influx of people who are not diehard enthusiasts, but they want to go into something new, but they don't want to be put out. So like, well, I don't really want to get wet. I really don't want to have my hair get blown. And I really don't want to be cold or uncomfortable if we're leaving in the morning. And I want to be able to listen to my music, or I want to listen to a podcast, which they literally said at one time, you can listen to your favorite podcast while you ride. Ugh. And I'm like, oh my gosh. And so this influx of potential buyers and potential sales is what is pushing manufacturers. I don't blame Sea-Doo. I don't blame Yamaha. I don't blame Cowie. All right. I don't blame these guys. They have to go where the money is, guys. Am I crazy? I don't blame them. All right. If every dealer came banging on Yamaha's door and they said, everyone wants fuchsia colored jet skis. That's the only thing we're getting demands for is fuchsia. They want it freaking purple. They're going to go, oh, crap, we got to make some purple jet skis. And that's what all next year is going to be is purple jet skis. Because all the freaking dealers are screaming and going, every person's asking for a purple jet ski. All right. Same thing with all black. I do a Darth Vader video and everyone gets all horny about it. And they start sharing all the pictures about, Darth Vader. I got to have a blacked out ski. And everyone wants blacked out skis. And so Sea-Doo goes and does blackout. And Yamaha carries blacked out for 2 more years. And everyone's doing blacked out. All right. It's because it gets word of mouth out.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.